students. So class second. Today we are going to start new chapter and the name of the chapter is Tux Paint. Now let us start. Tux Paint is a paint program created for children. It has numerous ready-made tools that help you to make beautiful drawings. Now starting Tux Paint. How we start Tux Paint. Now class second, you remember we had done this in lab. Okay, you have not gone to the lab, and that when you come back to school we will be doing it in a lab as a part of our practical. Now starting Tux Paint. Now to start Tux Paint, first of all we go to all program, click on start button, select Tux Paint and choose Tux Paint full screen option. Now when you open this screen will appear. Now this is our canvas, our down arrow, up arrow. Click on these buttons to see more symbols. See, and this is our color box. And this is our toolbars. Okay, this is our help area. Now students, tools in Tux Paint. The toolbar has various tools that help you draw pictures. First is paint tool, line tool, text tool, undo button, eraser button, open button, print button. Now here stamp tool, shapes tool, magic tool, redo button, redo button, new button, save button and quit button. Now how to start? Paint tool means you will paint. Line tool means you will draw lines. Text tool means you will write. Undo means you will again go back. You can do the same thing. Erase means you will erase what you do not want, what you don't want. Open button means you have to open. Print button means you can print. Stamp button means you can stamp on. Shape means you can choose any shape. Magic tool. Redo means you can do it again. New button you have to go to the new screen. Save button you will save your drawing, and quit button means you will exit, you will come out from that, you will close it. Now how to start a new drawing? First is click on new button from the toolbar. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button to see ready-made pictures and background. Choose the drawing and double click on it. The picture will appear on the drawing canvas. Now how to color the drawing? First is click on the magic tool from the tools box. Click on down arrow button and select fill magic effect from the selector. Choose any color from the color box. Click on the drawing to fill the color in it. Now paint tool. In paint tool it is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to a brush tool in MS Paint. Now click on paint tool. Many brushes will appear in the selector. Choose any brush pattern. The pointer shapes changes to paint. Brush. Press the left mouse button and drag. The pattern will be drawn. Now release the mouse button. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Click on eraser tool, press and hold down the left mouse button and start moving the cursor on the drawing. The drawing will be erased. Save. Click on save tool from the toolbar to save the drawing. Quit. Now click on the quit tool. A box will appear. Click on yes button if you want to close. Click again on yes button if you want to save the file before closing. Now opening the drawing. The open button is used to open picture that you saved earlier. First click on open tool. Second select the drawing that you want to open. Now, this is our wrap up for the chapter what we have done. First is what is Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a paint program which is used to draw and color pictures on a computer. It has various tools in the tools box. Drawing canvas is the area where you can draw and color. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. The save button is used to save a picture. The quit button is used to close the Tux Paint. Now, this is your exercise, students, and you will learn this exercise. And this is your lab activity that when we come back to school, we will do it in a practical lab, computer lab. Good day.